From the battlefields of Eastern Europe to the conflicts in West Asia, one weapon is changing modern warfare, and that is low-cost kamikaze drone. Countries across the globe are rushing to build their own versions of Iran's deadly Shahed drones, and the latest country to join the race is Saudi Arabia. Well, this is according to a report by American news website Semaphore, which says that a new joint venture between Utah-based Vector Defense and Saudi firm SR2 Defense Systems is building a drone factory near Riyadh. The facility will reportedly produce a long-range attack drone known as Sky Wasp. The drone reportedly hit targets up to 1,500 kilometers away, a distance that puts all of western, central as well as southern Iran within range, including major cities such as Tehran, Isfahan as well as Tabriz within striking distance, especially from Saudi Arabia's eastern coast. In fact, just for perspective, the shortest over-water distance across the Persian Gulf between the Saudi eastern coast and the Iranian coast is around 200 kilometers. The move comes after Iran's Shahed drones pummeled Gulf countries over the past few months during the West Asia war that exposed how low-cost kamikaze drones can overwhelm expensive and advanced air defense systems. And the world is increasingly copying Iran's cheap, mass-produced and deadly Shahed drones, especially the Shahed 136 variant. The drone carries a 40-kilogram warhead, flies at nearly 185 kilometers per hour and can strike targets up to 2,000 kilometers away. At an estimated cost of around $35,000 per unit, the Shahed offers a far cheaper option than high-end military drones, in fact, some of which can even cost as much as $16 million each. In many cases, shooting down these kamikaze drone costs far more than launching them itself, and that asymmetry is pushing governments across the globe to look for alternatives. With Russia being one of the first countries outside Iran to embrace this strategy, Moscow now builds its own version of the Shahed drone and has even used it extensively in the war against Ukraine. According to Ukrainian President, Russia has launched more than 57,000 Iranian-designed Shahed drones since the war began in 2022. Even the United States has moved in the same direction, with Washington having deployed low-cost FPV kamikaze drones known as Lucas, developed by reverse engineering Iran's Shahed 136 design for the first time during its war with Iran. For Saudi Arabia, this project is also about building a domestic defense industry. The kingdom, which imports most of its military equipment, aims to localize 50% of its defense spending by 2030.